Welcome to the AI for Graphic Designers training series. In this session, we will explore how to use Harmonize option inside Adobe Photoshop. This is an image of a bench in a garden. The goal is to merge the image of the girl with this one to show her sitting on the bench. First, remove the background from the girl's image using the Remove Background option. The background has been perfectly removed. The leaf in her hand remains intact, and the umbrella is also very well preserved. Next, copy this image onto the garden image. Scale it proportionately so that it appears as if she is sitting on the bench. Next, click the Harmonize button. The AI will adjust the colors, lighting, shadows, highlights, and midtones of the girl's image to match the garden background image. Here's the result. AI has beautifully merged the girl's image with the background image. There are 3 variations. In one image, a shadow appears below her, and in another, a shadow appears behind the girl. In all images, it appears as if the girl is sitting on the bench. Using the Harmonize option, it is possible to blend 2 images in terms of lighting, shadows, and color information. Now it is hard to tell that the girl's image was separate. Thanks for watching.